Welcome back, friends. Today we are embarking on an exhilarating journey through the heart of India's bustling capital, Delhi. Delhi, the vibrant city steeped in history and pulsating with energy, situated on the banks of the majestic Yamuna River, Delhi's landscape is defined by its rich tapestry of ancient monuments, modern marvels, and bustling market. So buckle up and let's dive into the top must-visit landmarks that will leave you in awe. The India Gate. Our adventure begins at the majestic India Gate, a symbol of sacrifice and bravery. Built in memory of the Indian soldiers who laid down their lives during World War I, this towering monument stands tall as a tribute to their valor. Did you know that India Gate was designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens, the renowned British architect who played a key role in designing New Delhi? The Red Fort. Next in our itinerary is the iconic Red Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that served as the main residence of the Mughal Emperor for nearly 200 years. Step back in time as you wander through its intricately designed palaces, gardens, and pavilions. The Red Fort gets its name from the imposing red sandstone walls that enclose its vast complex, symbolizing power and grandeur. The Humayun Tomb. Prepare to be mesmerized by the architectural splendor of Humayun's tomb, the first garden tomb on the Indian subcontinent and a precursor to the Taj Mahal. Marvel at its symmetrical design, intricate marble carvings, and lush Mughal gardens. Did you know that Humayun's tomb inspired the design of the Taj Mahal? Sundar Nursery Garden, originally known as Azim Bagh, is a 16th century heritage garden complex located near Humayun's tomb in Delhi. Sundar Nursery is home to 300 species of trees and plants, including several rare and endangered species, making it a haven for biodiversity in the heart of the city. The Qutub Minar. Towering over Delhi's skyline is the magnificent Qutub Minar, the tallest brick minaret in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore its intricate Islamic architecture, including the beautiful calligraphy and decorative motifs adorning its walls. Qutub Minar was built by Qutbuddin Aibak, the founder of the Delhi Sultanate, and has survived several earthquakes over the centuries. The Gurudwara Bangla Sahib. Next in our journey is a visit to Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, one of the most prominent Sikh Gurudwaras in Delhi. Immerse yourself in the spiritual atmosphere, partake in langar, and witness the selfless service of the volunteers. The Gurudwara is built at the site where the 8th Sikh Guru, Guru Harkishan, stayed during his visit to Delhi, making it a sacred pilgrimage destination for Sikhs around the world. The Lotus Temple. Experience tranquility and serenity at the Lotus Temple, a house of worship known for its stunning lotus-shaped architecture and peaceful ambience. Take a moment to reflect and recharge amidst the lush surrounding. The Jama Masjid. Built by Emperor Shah Jahan between 1644 and 1656, Jama Masjid is one of the largest mosques in India and a masterpiece of Mughal architecture. Its grand courtyard can accommodate up to 25,000 worshippers, and its three imposing gateways are adorned with intricate marble inlays and calligraphy. The Jantar Mantar. Constructed in the 18th century by Maharaja Jai Singh II of Jaipur, Jantar Mantar in Delhi is one of the 5 astronomical observatories built by him across India. It houses 13 architectural astronomy instruments, each serving a specific purpose such as measuring time, predicting eclipses, tracking celestial bodies, and more. Interestingly, the Samrat Yantra at Jantar Mantar is the world's largest sundial, standing at a towering height of 27 meters. The Parliament House. The Parliament House in Delhi is an architectural marvel and the seat of India's bicameral legislature. Its circular structure represents the ideals of democracy. Visitors to Parliament now need prior verification to get gallery passes, All group passes are discontinued. Mutiny War Memorial serves as a poignant reminder of the tumultuous events of the Indian Rebellion of 1857, commonly referred to as the Sepoy Mutiny. This memorial honors the valor and sacrifice of soldiers from various backgrounds who participated in the uprising against the British rule. The Dadi Poti Storm. Dadi Poti Storm in Delhi is a serene monument showcasing Mughal architecture with intricate details, offering glimpses into the city's rich historical heritage. The Akshardham. Akshardham, a marvel in Delhi, is a sprawling Hindu temple complex blending breathtaking architecture, intricate carvings, and serene gardens. Akshardham holds the Guinness World Record for being the world's largest comprehensive Hindu temple complex, which is constructed entirely without using steel. Agrasen Ki Baoli. It is an historic steep well located in the heart of New Delhi, India. Dating back to the 14th century, it features intricate architecture with symmetrical steps leading down for a water reservoir. It's a popular tourist spot. The Barakhamba, also known as Barakhamba Monument or Vijay Mandal, is a historic structure located in the heart of Delhi. It was built by Mughal Emperor Akbar in 16th century. The monument derives its name from its 12 pillars, which is supported by a circular platform on top, likely used for astronomical observations or as pleasure pavilion. From the historic landmarks steeped in centuries of heritage to the serene spiritual heavens that offers solace to weary souls to the vibrant markets like Chandni Chowk for the shopaholics, Delhi has truly something for everyone. So pack your bags and embark on this unforgettable journey and let the magic of Delhi captivate your heart. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more epic adventure. Keep exploring.